Hi guys! In this video we're going to run you through the general maintenance for your Fusion IQ. Keeping on top of this ensures that your heat press continues to perform as it should. First thing you want to do is ensure that your heat press is switched off. Using a clean cloth, wipe over all of the surfaces of the heat press. Paying special attention to the Fusion IQ screen, the base of the heat press, and once the press has cooled down, the top plate as well. If you notice that either the adjustment knob or the pin at the back of the press is grabbing or becoming stiff, simply add some WD-40 or grease to the thread. So here, and then. To keep the draw of the press gliding smoothly, ensure that you add grease or WD-40 to the tracks. We also recommend regularly checking the temperature of your heat press. For more information on how to do this, please watch our separate video.